Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We are here to do unboxing of iPhone 11. This one arrived this morning. This is iPhone 11 256GB capacity, and this is a black color that I ordered. So let's start by opening this box. So what's inside this is the box of iPhone 11 with SIM card. Okay, with a SIM card. And let's put this aside. And now this is it. Let's try to, as you can see, 156GB, colored black. What's inside the box is a 5W charging brick, and the headset and charging cable, and let's try to open this one. Swipe to open or swipe up, yeah. Put English. I should be choosing Canada, and then let's see. Set up manually. And let's see about this one. Okay. Oops, sorry. Setting up, and while it's setting up, I have to discuss about this camera. Let's see how it looks. And it looks like an owl. And if you put it here, you can see that it moves like those cell phone before that used to be flat. Now most of the cell phone has that type of camera set up just to give space for the power of camera, like optical zoom and digital zoom, or whatever specification that they have for a new cell phone. So let's press discontinue, and I just want to set up later. Okay, so from here you have to store all your details from the previous phone that you have. You can choose a restore from Mac, iCloud, or transfer from iPhone, from Android, so any phone can be used. And since I'm coming from iPhone 7 Plus, I will surely notice a lot of difference, like a big difference, like camera wise or specs or speed. So that's why I chose this one over Pro or Pro Max, because I think this is enough. I mean, I will be satisfied with this upgrade from 7 to iPhone 11. But if you will upgrade from 10 to 11, I think you won't see much of a difference. So for now, this is what I can show you. And for the other a review about how this one works. I'll do it some other day and I'll post it here again. And thank you for watching, and please do subscribe.